Startup Factory plays a very important role. It opens the windows on the future of the group in terms of innovation and research.
The Alperia Startup Factory is a program where we started with an open call, asking for startups and people from Alperia, entrepreneurs, proposing their own solutions, their own ideas, their own technologies. Just 4 out of those 10 projects have been selected and have gone through the proof of concept phase. At the end, the jury is going to decide who will be the winner.
The Alperia Startup Factory helps us to improve our solutions in order to meet the needs of Alperia for the HR digital assessment.
The thing I appreciated the most was being able to get in contact with the local company and concretizing a work that we did during several years, bringing it closer to the public and making it tangible.
I see my idea as a natural evolution of how companies will communicate with customers in the future.
The startup gave us solutions that were easy to implement in our current ecosystem and which were easy to apply in our everyday business.
We had the opportunity to work with managers of Alperia, and there was also a lot of enthusiasm involved in our work together, so that was really great. I would like to thank also the students of the University of Bolzano, because they helped creating a data set to train and fine-tune our artificial intelligence algorithms.
Alperia Startup Factory is a real project of open innovation from a very innovative company like Alperia, so this is such opportunities to students.
We actually saw how all these things work in a real-life project and not only the theory.
We had many opportunities to help the entrepreneurs grow and go on with their project. We helped them towards their milestones, and we criticized them and gave them advices where there was space for it. And together with these projects we learned how to develop a new venture and how to lead it to success.
The Startup Factory is a great experience for us. The co-creation between startups, Alperia employees and the university students is really a great success, and it's fruitable, and we are able to incorporate and evaluate each and everyone's angle who has a different background and can really contribute to the projects we deliver.